Hello students. Question 1. Which of the following are polar molecules? The answer is HCl and CH3, CH2, CH2, Br. In HCl, the hydrogen atom has electronegativity 2.2 and chlorine 3.16. Similarly, यहाँ पर जो है कार्बन इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिविटी 2.55 and bromine 2.96. So chlorine and bromine are more electronegative than carbon, and here is chlorine is more electronegative than hydrogen. So these are the polar molecule because the bond electrons distorted towards the more electronegative atom. Question 2. Sucrose molecule is composed of. The answer is glucose and fructose. Sucrose is a disaccharide and it contains glucose as alpha D glucose and fructose as beta D fructose. Question 3. The oxidation number of nitrogen in ammonia is. The answer is -3. Nitrogen has a higher electronegativity than hydrogen in ammonia molecule. When the bond breaks between nitrogen and hydrogen, the negative charge goes to nitrogen and hydrogen is left as hydrogen positive. So nitrogen has -3 oxidation state and hydrogen oxidation number is +1. Question 4. If two atoms are not symmetrical in a molecule, the electron cloud is distorted to one side of the bond towards more electronegative atom. This is called. The answer is inductive effect. Question 5. Nitrogen atom in pyridine is sp, sp3, sp2 or sp4 hybridite. The answer is sp2 hybridite. Lone pair of nitrogen is not delocalized. It is involved in bonding. sp2 hybridite. Lone pair remains in the sp2 orbital and lies in the same plane. In pyridine, 5 carbons and nitrogen all are sp2 hybridite. Question 6. Smoke in colloidal state is one of the following. The answer is solid in gas medium. Question 7. Which indicator is used in the titration of strong acid and weak base? The answer is methyl orange. Methyl orange shows red color in acid medium and yellow color in basic medium. Question 8. Tertiary alkyl halides are practically inert to substitution by SN2 mechanism because of insolubility, instability, inductive effect, and steric hindrance. The answer is steric hindrance. Due to steric hindrance, the repulsion between the alkyl groups present on the carbon atom, if the distance between the two is less than van der Waals radius, then it is the steric hindrance. Question 9. Which of the following compound is prepared using Ostwald process? Potassium permanganate, hydrochloric acid, nitric acid. The answer is nitric acid. Question 10. The material used in solar cells contain. The answer is silicon. It is most common semiconductor. It is also non-toxic, cost-effective, and silicon is most abundant material after oxygen in the earth crust. Question 11. The Friedel-Crafts reaction is an example of. The answer is electrophilic aromatic substitution. Question 12. Nitrogen atom in ammonia is sp, sp3, sp2 or sp4 hybridized. The answer is sp3 hybridized. In ammonia, nitrogen atom has 5 valence electrons. After hybridization, these electrons are placed in the 4 equivalent hybridized orbitals. 3 unpaired electrons form sigma bonds with s orbital of hydrogen, and 1 orbital contains the lone pair of electrons. And the angle between the one NH bond and another NH bond, it is 107 degree. Question 13. Which of the following is correct about hard water? The answer is it does not give lather with soap. Question 14. The order of stability of free radicals relative to the alkane from which it is formed. The correct answer is this one. This is due to hyperconjugation. Question 15. Which element is used in the manufacture of safety matches? Phosphorus, magnesium, silicon, sodium. The answer is phosphorus. Question 16. The amount of energy required to form various classes of radicals from 1 mole of alkane is in the order. The answer is A. Question 17. What is the molecular geometry of a methane molecule? The answer is tetrahedral. Question 18. The delocalization of electrons in a molecule should have single bonds, conjugation system, alternate single and double bonds, only double bonds. The answer is conjugation system and C, alternate single and double bonds. Alternate and single and double bonds are also called conjugation system in a molecule. Question 19. In benzene molecule, all the CC bonds are of equal length. This statement is wrong or correct, or single and double bonds are of different lengths, and all above are wrong. The correct answer is the statement is correct. In benzene molecule, all the CC bonds are of equal length. This is due to the resonance in the benzene molecule. Question 20. The order of decreasing strength of acids is in the order. The answer is A. Trichloroacetic acid is the most strong acid and acetic acid is the least strong acetic acid, and this is due to the inductive effect. So thank you, and please subscribe channel for latest basic and advanced topics in chemistry, series of questions and answers for 10th, 11th, 12th classes and competitions.